The Ovente Portable 5 Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that will elevate your cooking and baking experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this hand mixer is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their culinary skills. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its compact and portable design. With dimensions of 8.3D into 3.2W into 7H and weighing just 1.8 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle. You can easily store it in your kitchen cabinet or carry it with you while traveling, making it a versatile tool for any cooking enthusiast. The vibrant red color of the Ovente hand mixer adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor. It effortlessly combines functionality with aesthetics, making it a visually appealing addition to your countertop. Equipped with a powerful stainless steel blade, this hand mixer efficiently blends, mixes, and whisks a variety of ingredients.
And I have recently had the opportunity to try out the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer, and I must say it has been a pleasure to use. As a product marketing expert with extensive experience, I understand the importance of a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance, and this hand mixer certainly delivers on both fronts. First and foremost, the build quality of the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is exceptional. The sturdy construction ensures durability and longevity, giving users peace of mind knowing that their investment will last for years to come. The mixer's compact design, with product dimensions of 5.7D into 8.3W into 9.2H, makes it easy to store and saves valuable counter space. The sleek white color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor, blending seamlessly with other appliances. Additionally, the stainless steel blade material not only enhances the mixer's durability but also provides excellent performance in terms of mixing and blending ingredients.
The Cuisinart HM50 Power Advantage 5-speed hand mixer is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that delivers outstanding performance. With its sleek white design, this hand mixer adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart HM50 is its 5-speed settings, which allow for precise control and customization based on your specific needs. Whether you're mixing batters, kneading dough, or whipping up some fluffy whipped cream, this hand mixer can handle it all with ease. The compact dimensions of 4D into 8.25W into 8.75H make it easy to store and handle, while the lightweight 1 kilogram construction ensures comfortable and convenient use. The push-button controls provide simple and intuitive operation, allowing you to effortlessly switch between speeds while working on your culinary creations. Another notable feature of the Cuisinart HM50 is its dishwasher-safe nature. This means that after you've finished using it, you can easily...
Ovente Portable 5 Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer. The Ovente Portable 5-speed mixing electric hand mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance designed to meet your mixing needs. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I assure you that this review is based on my honest assessment of the product. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its adjustable speed control. This allows you to choose from 5 different speed settings, giving you the flexibility to mix your ingredients at the desired consistency. Whether you need a gentle stir or a quick whip, this hand mixer has got you covered. The sleek and compact design of the Ovente hand mixer makes it a portable option for those who enjoy baking or cooking on the go. With dimensions of 8.3 inches in diameter, 3.2 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, it can easily fit into your kitchen drawer or be taken along on your culinary adventures. The mixer of durable.
The Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen tool that delivers exceptional performance for all your baking and cooking needs. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this hand mixer stands out from the competition. One of the key features of the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is its versatility. It offers 6 different speed settings, allowing you to choose the perfect speed for your recipe. Whether you need to whip egg whites to stiff peaks or mix cookie dough, this hand mixer has you covered. The intuitive controls make it easy to adjust the speed as needed, providing precise control over your mixing. In terms of design, this hand mixer is both functional and stylish. With its sleek black color and compact size, it will complement any kitchen decor. The product dimensions of 5.8 D into 9.4 W into 9.6 H ensure that it won't take up excessive counter space, making it ideal for even the most compact.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.